Hello, in this video go ahead and prove that the current flowing through the resistor R1 is equal to R2 times I, what you see on the board. So we can first of all give the direction of some item. Let's say the voltage across this all the total circuit is U. The voltage across resistor R1 is equal to U1. You are agree with me that all the items are connected in parallel, so the total supply voltage U will be equal to I times R equivalent. Now U1, the voltage across the resistor R1, will be equal to I1 times R1. You don't have a problem with all this equation. Let's call this one equation 1 and this other one equation 2. Now from equation 1, what is the expression of R equivalent? R equivalent here will be equal to 1 on R equivalent is equal to 1 on R1 plus 1 on R2 plus 1 on R3. Okay, which is equal to, when you perform this thing very well, we discover that R equivalent will be equal to R2, R3, will be equal to, let's say I'm going to first of all arrange all before I reverse the operation. R equivalent will be equal to the product R1, R2, R3 all over all this item R2, R3 plus R1, R3 plus R1, R2. That is the expression of the equivalent resistor. Now, knowing that both U1 and U2 is equal, we can say that U1 is equal to the supply voltage. Means that we will have I1 times R1 will be equal to the supply current, main current, times R equivalent. And we set it like this. We will have I1 will be equal to R equivalent on R1 times I. We have not changed anything. If you have a question, don't forget to ask in the description section below. So if you perform this operation, you discover that I1 that we are looking for will be equal to R equivalent here was R1, R2, R3 on, let's say down there, let us put R3 in bracket, R3. Okay, let me first of all record all the value. R2 R3 plus R1 R3 plus R1 R2 time I, all multiplied by 1 on R1. So when we reach here now, we discover that here we can cancel the term as R1 here as well, and R3 here, R3 here, R3 here, and divide this by R3. If we arrange this expression very well now, we are going to obtain I1 equal to R2 times the main current divided by R2 plus R1 plus R1 R2 on R3, which is also equal to R2 times I divided by R1 plus R2 plus R1 R2 on R3, and the formula has been proved. If you have any question or any suggestion, don't forget to ask in the description section below. I will be happy, very happy to reply that answer for you. Switching graph for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace.